Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Samsung dishwasher and it's giving you either a 5C or an SC, depending on how you read it, error. So what is it and how to get rid of it? So basically the 5C or SC error is that the machine detects that it's not able to drain properly. So maybe it's not able to drain at all, or maybe it's draining too slowly. So it gives you this error. So the main things to check is really simply, at the areas where it would drain, figure out what's going on. So the first thing to do is just to come in here and make sure that where the water drains, that the filters and the screens and all that stuff are not clogged. There's not any big chunks of food or anything down in there. The next thing to check would be to actually go in behind your machine and check the drain hose. So you want to make the drain hose, you want to make sure that it's not kinked, not bent, not if the water gets pumped out and into the drain. So you shouldn't be using any extensions, and you don't want it to have to pump too high to drain. So if it's more than maybe 1.5 meters where your drain hose is, that's probably too high off the ground. Also, you want to make sure that where the drain hose goes into the drain, that air can get in. We don't want it sealed, or this can prevent proper draining. So if you're able to figure out check all those things, you should be able to figure out why your dishwasher is not draining. And if you're able to get that sorted out, then you should be able to get rid of this error. So anyways, hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.